What's up, guys? Good morning. All right, let's have some fun today, huh? What do we got going? What's up, guys? Good morning. AIIO looked promising, but it's so slow. I was looking for a little breakout right here, and then it stopped. It just stopped. I don't feel like watching it, so I'll take my little penny here. It just completely took a snooze pill. So I just hopefully it gets up one more penny and I can get out of it because I don't want to hold on to something. I don't want to pay attention to it. Oh man, come on. All right, let's see what else we got here. There's some good ones today. A couple little ones. Not really anything that's like, oh my god, look at this thing run. Oh boy. Oh. So as you guys know, I got my butt kicked yesterday. I mean, it was a full on butt kicking. It's not the first time. It's not going to be the last time. I mean, supposedly even Ross Cameron took a big hit yesterday. A huge loss, as his video says. I don't know what it is, but happens to the best of us. I let, uh, I let, I don't know. I let things get out of hand yesterday. I broke rules. I averaged down. I hate averaging down. Yeah. So, yeah, a lot of things went wrong. Yeah. Yeah, we've played DXYZ plenty of times. Let's see. I lost my ass yesterday. Lolo Rod lost his ass yesterday. Man, everybody lost their ass yesterday. Seems like it was a full-on ass kicking yesterday for everybody, or a lot of people at least. BZFD. Still just trying a little bit here. Just got back over volume weighted average price. Hmm. I don't know what I don't know what BTA means. I don't Cabronics. I don't know what that means. BTA, but I was up the Mighty Greens. Oh, belt to ass. Got it. Let's see, we got Craig. Yo, what's up, David Dessert? Thanks for joining on YouTube. Appreciate you. Ah, man, this thing just does not want to go. Good guy. Oh, come on. Give me my 1 penny. You gotta, Andy. You gotta put, you gotta put the ticker there. Oh, Bill Holdings. What's up, Mitchell? The Crusher. Billions to one, huh? Or Billions Network. I got Bill Holdings and I got billion to one. Which one are you talking about? BILL comes up with Bill Holdings Inc. As you can see, these are only two choices I have right here. Uh, One of them Taco Tuesdays over here. Kind of nothing going on. All right, well, I'm just gonna say screw it. Don't need to take much more of a loss on a stock that I really didn't care to get into. All right, we're starting the day off with down $6. Ew. Seems like pennies can compare to yesterday. Let today be glorious. Yes, sir. Let today be glorious. That's faux show. Faux show. Here's Craig again. Looks like it wants to break out. Volume's picking up a little bit here. 1 minute candle. I'm not a fan of Craig. Craig is bad luck for me. So, Harley, you too, or just you saying for me? You saying to make up for loss yesterday for you also, or just for me? Because you didn't lose yesterday. I don't know. For everyone yesterday, I didn't indulge anything. Ah, okay, gotcha. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I didn't know if you lost or if you made money yesterday. So, man, come on, Tuesday. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. All right, let me see here. Oh, your account stayed right where it was from last week. Okay. All right. Well, we'll keep looking. We're gonna keep looking. We'll find something that's gonna run. There's always something. Ah, boy. Sorry, guys. Just there's nothing going on, so I could keep looking, but hey, look at Cree go. Look at Cree go. What? Yeah. Aren't those people funny? They're so funny. Yeah, AIIO just kind of flubbing around. Finally got up to 137. So it looks like it finally moved a little bit, but still just it's just yeah. It's just been kind of blah. I don't know. It did well that one day, but then it kind of just blah. Had me laughing. That's funny. There you go, Cree. You're swinging it. You're swinging it. Hopefully it blows up for you. Hopefully it goes to the moon, as they say. There's our little drawing from what? 2 days ago, so Friday. Did well, took a break over the weekend. Pretty good yesterday. It's a slow burn. It's a slow burn. It just keeps going, but slowly, slowly. Nothing crazy. You can pretty much do the same thing over here. Draw your lines, see where they hit, where they stack. See what they do. This is a 30-minute chart here. But as you can see, it's kind of doing the same thing. It's a little bit of a rising wedge there. I mean, so with AIIO, 175 isn't out of line. It's just gonna take it a while to get there. Ain't nothing moving. Ain't nothing moving right now. Looks very boring. Tuesdays. Just a Tuesday thing. Uh, uh, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey, rise and shine. All we got is Craig moving a little bit and AIIO BDZ BZFD Jesus is completely just fucking around with people. Not really doing a whole lot either. Possibly a little cup. and handle here, maybe on a 5 minute. Maybe a little 5 minute weird looking cup and handle. Yeah, I don't know. It's just real slow. The MACD's already turning red. What's up, Cardinal? Thanks for the hearts me. Mitchell, thanks for the hearts me. I'm up 60 cents. All right, David. Green is green. I would have been very happy to have been up 60 cents yesterday. There it is. There's your little cup. There's your little handle. Let's see if it can break through. It's a little bit of a sideways rim there. So there's your rim there. You got WEN. Whoops. WEN moving up. It's an $8 stock. Nice little go here. Higher highs, higher lows. You can consider this a big cup and handle here. It's at 812 right now. Where's it gonna go? Looks like it just dropped some news. Where's it gonna go? It dropped some news about 24 minutes ago. Under the radar, not really hitting scanners. Just hit the scanner. Where can you go? 835, 60, 73. We'll go with that. 73 sounds good. Let's go 71. Let's go 71. Take a little off the top there. And WEN has a little gap up here. 1053. I don't know if I'd trust that though. Like, we got to figure out what that news is. There's a little gap there. Goes all the way up to 1159. What is that news? Jumps after reports. Pels Train seeks funding for take private bid. All right. There's 47. Remember, we're going 71. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for 71. Nice little takeoff there. Look, green, 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 green. Green, 851. 20 more pennies. Yo, what's up on my mama? Yeah, it's not really doing much. It's up 100%, but it's just kind of stuck. BZFD 147. Bubblehead. So currently it's this one here, WEN and Craig. But Craig, I don't trust ever. I don't ever trust that company. That's shady, shady, shady. Where's the beef? QUBX. QUBX. What's QUBX doing? All right, let's see if this one retraces back down to the volume weighted average price, or if it holds and goes for a next leg up here. We don't like this little candlestick here. Usually means a reversal. Come on, get 871. Gets 871. You're probably going to be looking somewhere around 897 for the next target. It's a good little move. It was slow. It went under the radar. Back over VWAP, but as you can see, BZFD has a problem with 156. So if it can get over 156, then it can go, but I can't discuss where it's going to go. Yes, sir. There's only one me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna go grab my coffee off the pot there. Oh. VTGN's jumping around a little bit here. Rolled the volume one time already. VTGN here. What does it look like? Announces preliminary positive data in ongoing open label extension portion of Palisade 3 phase 3 study of Phasdenol for the acute treatment of social anxiety disorder. After my stroke, I had something like that. Where are my lines? Why did my lines go away? Come on. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see. Is it gonna go? Is when gonna go? WEN. Did it find support right here? If it did, that'd be pretty that it didn't come all the way back down to the volume weighted average price and then decided to come up. Yeah, it looks like it wants to. Looks like it wants to. This one's currently, VTGN is currently sitting where it usually likes to sit. So it's not really doing much yet. Maybe it'll do something. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's the stuff. Oh, yeah, there it is. Do 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 do. HTCOs, 960s. Let's put HTCO right here. Oh, look at that. It just hit its resistance. If it can break its resistance, you might have a new high. Its resistance is between 85 and 99. 85 and 99 cents. If you can get through 10 bucks. 10 bucks for crying out loud. If you can break 10 bucks, you'll probably get a new high on HTCO. HTCO. Hey, Mitchell, thank you for the let 'em cook. Appreciate you. Yep. So as you guys know, I took a beating yesterday, but like every good trader does, you know, get back on the horse. Get back on the horse. You fall off, you get back on the horse. And you might think, yeah, but you lost so much. Yeah, I did lose a lot. And, you know, I made a lot the week before, you know? So easy come, easy go, you know? That's all I can say. When will it go? I like it. I like it. It looks like it wants to go soon. It looks like it wants to go soon. It's stacking up. It's holding nicely. That VWAP's gotta stay where it's at, and the MACD's just gotta get green again. This could be a little double top. As long as it keeps pushing that that resistance and volume keeps coming in, you're good. Again, with HTCO, you're just sitting right there at resistance. Here's 85. Let's see, is it going to do it? Come on, volume, pick up a little bit. Yeah, so right now we got these two. That's it. That's all I see right now. Oh, God. Oh, I want to go to sleep. My face wants to sleep. right, come on, pushing that 85 again. Who's got a horse? Not me. My wife's allergic to horses, so no horse. You got AMBQ, which is it's a expensive stock. It's in the 50s. It's up $12 from yesterday's close. It's at 58.18 right now. Jumped up $12.51. HCCO took a big hit there. Couldn't get through it. Couldn't get through that $10. And I told you 85 to 96. That's where it's got its resistance. And look at that. It resisted. It resisted so bad it fell down and hurt itself. Oh man, I hate slow days. Oh, I hate slow days. I like stuff to move. TLIH. All right, let's see. Still just kind of bouncing around. Looks like there's a previous target up there. I can't remember that stock, so I gotta look. Yeah, so yesterday consisted of breaking rules, and that's why I got punished. That's what happens. That is exactly what happens when you break rules, you get punished. And I got punished pretty hard yesterday. When you look at what you do in trading, and I don't know what it is, but when you have a nice huge win like that in one day where you make almost 2 grand in one day, you think it's possible, and then you start thinking like, okay, well, you know what, let's go with breaking rules. And then so we break rules and we end up hurting ourselves because we think, hey, you know what, we made all that money, we got a nice big cushion, let's add a little more risk. Who cares, right? Who cares? It's averaging down. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's bad. It's bad because what if the stock just doesn't turn around? And it didn't turn around, really. I mean, it turned around a little bit, but I got stopped out as I was dropping my kid off at school. The fucking thing hit 177. Shit, I can't even remember what the ticker was. I blocked it. I blocked it out. Can't even remember what ticker it was. I'm sure you guys know. Yep, that's it. 2 down. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm glad one of us can remember shit. Yep. Yep. Broke levels and I didn't care. I averaged down. This is my area of where I was going to take action. I took action and dropped down to 177, stopped me out, and then continued to kind of fuck around. Got back up to 249. At this point, I had 1,000 shares of this thing. Can you believe that? I had 1,000 shares of this thing at this point. Right here. And then stopped out. I did not see it going that far, but again, it broke levels. Why the fuck are you averaging down if it's breaking your supports? If it's breaking through support, breaking through support, breaking through support. Yeah. So that is a clearly defined line in the sand. This is a 30-minute chart. There's nothing going on right now. I'm looking. There's just nothing really going insane. So it's kind of slow and boring, and I'm getting messages from people saying it's boring stocks. Yeah. But yeah. So this is yesterday right here. Look at this. I mean, this is just disgusting, right? I mean, if you were looking at support resistance, so you got some support here at 344. Once it broke 344, if you're in around $4, why the fuck are you averaging down? You know, and then and then drops down to $3, and it breaks $3, and it gaps down, and then it goes down lower and lower and lower and lower. At this point, I was already in my car. I was like, you know what? Whatever. It is what it is. And boom. You know, so you got to do this. When you get your ass kicked by a stock, you got to do this. You got to look back at it and go, where, why, what did I do? You know, that's it. And then depending on how traumatized you got by the stock, then you either put it on your do not touch list, or you try it again. But I firmly believe in putting it on the do not touch list. And as I'm blabbing, guys, I'm also looking at stuff here. You know, I have noticed that my videos on TikTok are just not getting any traction. I don't know what TikTok's thinking, but it's just shit ain't working. It ain't jiving. And again, if somebody reaches out to you and, you know, wants to talk crypto or asks you how your portfolio's doing, that ain't me. I don't do that. So just saying. Here's my profile. This is the only one that there is. Jrockstocks.com. Jrockstocks, just like this. JROCKS. That's what it's supposed to look like. All right, this was yesterday, how I lost. And this is me kind of telling you guys about that. So, um, you know, here was the nice big day here. Where was it? There was a nice big day in here. It's like $1,600. I don't know where the label is. Just walking by a wall. Is this it? No? Did it get removed? Oh, there it is, right here. So $1,600, 1,667. That's what I made, and then I gave back about 18 right here yesterday. So easy come, easy go. But look, no traction. Only a few. I don't get it. I used to get like thousands of views, and then it just kind of piped down. See, thousands of views, 6,000 there. You know, I don't know. Don't know what's going on with TikTok, but whatever. You know, they want to lose a creator, they can lose a creator. That's fine. And then we'll just do everything on YouTube, right? No cruise control or blinkers on horses. Not for me. LOL. Oh man. Bubblehead. I don't need to. I already did. It was on my watch list, so I already did the hippity dippity with that one there. So I can tell you guys what I can tell you guys what I think of pullbacks like this. I can tell you that. I don't think that's a good pullback. I mean, I told you it was probably coming back down to the volume weighted average price, and so it did, because things listen to me sometimes. Yeah, TIDC, TDIC. God, man, my dyslexia just fires whenever it wants. You've got TDIC pushing 174. TDIC has resistance at about 189. HLIT still low volume, but still pushing a little bit here. I saw this one slowly creeping up. It's got Q1 revenue. You got VSTS jumping up a little bit here. Hit 11. It's probably liquidate only. I'm not sure. Kind of looks like it would be. Second quarter 2026 results increase full year 2026 on VSTS. CNCK, what is that doing? CNCK jumping around a little bit here. MACD looks good. Volume looks good. What's the news? Turns net loss of JPY 122 billion. Revenue rises 4% to JPY 1197. All right. Where can CNCK go? Well, gaps up here from this little thing. I don't know if I'd trust those little gaps. I think there's more possibly up there. 30-minute chart, like always. Draw your lines. There's a little gap there. 24.93. 249. Jesus, what did I say? 24.93? What the fuck am I talking about? Gee, did I just like black out or something? Wow. All right, here we go. 262. I might play a little bit here. I don't know. I might play a little bit here. Let's see. Let's see how this works out. There we go. It's above volume weighted average price. Volume is moving. It's at 900,000 on a float of 7.82 million. I don't know if I just want to wait for a pullback, or if I just want to jump in. On this one, looks like I'm going to be waiting because it already hit target 1. Let's see, 265, 297. Next target, 297. That's pretty quick. Here comes 297. The volume keeps coming in like that. Volume's rushing in right now. So, see what happens. This is CNCK. Coin check group is what that is. Coin check group. All right, so what are we doing? How are we gonna line this thing out, right? Let's see. Well, you know, I'd like to see what this thing's done on a 4-hour chart. So get a 4-hour. 4 hours still gives you the extended hours. There's 297. Yeah, that makes sense. It's been in a downtrend, steady downtrend. Finally broke out of that. Let's draw a line there. Let's see. This is a 4-hour line, so this is just an idea for me. This is just lining things up. Let's see here. Man, click. Get off my screen. I don't even want to look at you. Click. I think we got our pullback here on this one here. There's a little pullback. This is what, at 1 minute chart now. No. Let's partake. I'm gonna partake. I'm gonna buy 100 shares just for shits and the giggles. Take her easy. Let's see if she wants to get my 297 here. I'm gonna go ahead and sell at 297 if it can get there. Well, she's coming down pretty quick there. Hey, slow down. Slow down. You weren't supposed to retrace again. You're supposed to relax up here above volume weighted average price after that nice little push you did. Bum. Yep, I know. Broke VWAP. Caught it from 212. When it went back to VWAP to VSWAP. VSWAP. Dun. Let's see if it's doing a little let's see if it's doing a little hammer right here. This is a 1 minute chart, so this stuff can be a little off. And a hammer there would be nice because it looks like that's a little bit of support there. Get back over volume weighted average price, which is about 240. I'm sorry, $2.41. Yeah, QUBT pushing its resistance, breaks its resistance. I think you'll get 312. Yep. Fucking jinxie, baby. I'm jinxie. Anything I touch, guys, anything I touch decides to fucking turn around. I'll let you know, then you can short the shit out of it. Come on, wakey. Wake back up, you little shithead. Flip that MACD. Let's see. All right, guys, 5 minutes left, and then I'm going to go to the Discord. Mama didn't read no bitch. That's true. That's right. That is 100% right. What's the volume? 6.16 million. So almost 6.5 million on this thing. Its float is only 700. Its float is only 7.82 million. Jeez, I can't talk, guys. I'm freaking tired. Oh, jeez. Its average volume is only 148,000. There we go. Come on. Keep on turning around for me there, sugar. And we got hard to borrow, 44.41%. Destruction. Come on, come on, come on, turn around. Look at this. There it is. There's 1310 on QUBT. Target was 1312. It hit 1310. How about them apples? Looky, looky, I got hooky. There you go. There's the target. All right, next target on this thing is going to be 1352. QUBT doing well. QUBT doing well. A little too expensive for me, but that was a nice VWAP reclaim there. This one here, it's kind of looking like a little bit of a weak hand here. Let's see. So they announced partnership with Cody Corporation to expand access to digital assets. That's what this one did here. It also, I thought it also reported on. Damn, I'm mixing shit up. No standout dilution. They just had a fresh 6K filed with the SEC. We'll see. We'll see what it does. Let me put this in the Discord here. To the streets. The streets. All right, guys, I'm about to head on over to the Discord and hang out there with my peeps until market open. So I will see you guys there. Peace out. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. And I got one going up. Thanks, Jay. No problem, Tom, again. See you over on the Discord. Peace out, guys. Peace. TikTok, you can suck my ass. TikTok, you can suck my ass. TikTok, you can suck my ass. I fucking hate you, TikTok. All right, thank you guys for hanging out with me on YouTube. Patricia Powell, thank you. Later, Gator. I'll see you guys over on the Discord. Peace out.